Hi, my name is Maria Matheny, Product Strategy Director for Oracle Transportation and Global Trade Management Cloud. I'm excited to announce new features in the 24A update, which continues our long history of investment in creating best-in-class transportation and global trade management applications. Today, I will highlight enhancements made in Oracle Transportation Management and Global Trade Management. 24A includes several new capabilities to improve usability. Before we get started to discuss the highlights of 24A, we want to make sure that you are aware that the legacy workbenches will be removed in the next release. Please migrate any legacy workbenches to the new enhanced workbenches so there is no disruption to your users. In 24A, we continue to add capabilities to the enhanced workbenches to provide users with more capabilities to make the workbenches more intuitive and user-friendly. There are several enhancements to the layouts, enabling companies to easier manage deployment. Drag and drop has been improved between tables and with Gantt charts, letting users create custom views faster. There are several inline editing improvements across the workbenches, giving users more capabilities. Portability of data is easier with the ability to export to Excel via the workbench. We continue to enhance the Gantt charts to extend the data shown. And lastly, there is improved interaction with Here Maps. Users can highlight an area on the map with either a circle, rectangle, or polygon, which selects the object transactions within the area. In 24A, we introduced the new Oracle Redwood UI that can be used for the product map, suggestions, and Ask Oracle searches. You can switch to the new view and take advantage of the new look and feel with a more intuitive and easier navigation and search. The new springboard and product map design helps guide the user through the menus. When the user doesn't know what they are looking for, the user can toggle to the suggestions view, which provides the user with a list of product areas. Both the product map and suggestions area support the Ask Oracle search. Ask Oracle only needs the first letter to return menu suggestions, and the list is refined as the text entered is more specific. 24A includes several new capabilities in transportation management. In 24A, we've made several enhancements in transportation operational planning. For those customers planning ocean container packing, we've added a parameter in container optimization to define the organization. For ocean shipments, multiple orders of the various items are shipped together in multi-container shipments. Companies want to group or bundle all of the same items so the goods remain together for the ocean transport, the unloading, and movement of goods to their final destination. Also, there is a new enhancement with container optimization. When loading trucks at a large facility, the goods may be spread out over a large area, thus increasing cost and resources and time to load the trucks. There is a new penalty matrix that works with the OTM container optimization to minimize the amount of equipment repositioning required to achieve a full load. This feature now allows planners to work with multiple load points at a large facility to plan loads that require the least amount of intra-plant movements while still planning optimal loaded equipment. Lastly, we have enhanced our 3D load planning. Drag and drop is now supported in the workbench to move the graphical 3D items between shipments on different windows. Items can be removed from one shipment and transferred to one or more other shipments. The graphical view of the items helps to ensure item placement feasibility. In 24A, we've made several enhancements to consoles. We've extended OTM's console reservation modeling capabilities to include ground transportation. You can use the ground console type to model any number of ground transportation console reservation requirements, including multi-rail car or multi-equipment group, rail shipments, and any truckload scenarios where the reservation capabilities of a ground console type would be beneficial. Also in 24A, there is a new console type for ocean bulk that will allow you to configure consoles with a capacity based on weight, volume, and ERUs. This provides a new way to model charter voyage scenarios using more standard console and related ocean functionality. In 24A, we've made several enhancements in the areas of open tender and spot bid tender. Many of these enhancements are from Idea Labs, suggested from the OTM community. Each of these enhancements gives customers more flexibility, configurability, and control over their unique process for management of open tenders on the spot market. Collectively, these enhancements improve the usability of the open tender functionality for both shippers and their service providers, and enable our customers to quickly and easily react to market fluctuations in transportation capacity. 24A includes several new enhancements in global trade management. In 24A, there is a new optional feature that allows you to identify penalty and exemption rates modeled as part of the harmonized tariff. By enabling GTM to support multiple Chapter 98 to 99 HS codes, you can add special program codes, penalty codes, and penalty exemption codes to your items, allowing you to easily model your Section 301 and Section 232 penalty tariff rates. This enhancement allows for complying with more complex regulatory and duty management scenarios, saving users time and effort. In 24A, we continue to build out the capabilities of trade incentive programs. Some of the enhancements include the ability to record entries into the trade incentive program on the transaction or line. Now users can create an inventory movement record and an inventory record for the selected entry transaction lines under a trade incentive program. This feature provides the ability to track entry transactions and facilitate efficient monitoring of their utilization under a program. Also new in 24A is the ability to match exits to entries on the transaction or lines. The selected transaction or lines are matched against valid entries and creates an inventory movement record for each exit transaction line under the relevant trade incentive program. At the same time, the inventory record of the corresponding trade incentive program entry transaction will be updated by reducing its remaining quantity by the quantity of the exit transaction. New in 24A trade incentive programs is the ability to use the item structure components to match exits to entries. This is a key capability for managing manufacturing-based trade incentive programs. The inventory reconciliation process will be done at the component level. This capability allows a variety of new programs to be configured using GTM's trade incentive programs, such as duty drawbacks and temporary imports. I hope you enjoyed learning about the new features in this update. There are many more enhancements and new capabilities in OTM and GTM in 24A. For more information, see the What's New and the new feature summary documentation at oracle.com/readiness and these other resources. Thank you for your time today.